Oh, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Tonight we are going to a fun wreath making event here in Chicago put on by one of my favorite PR agencies. I'm super excited because I actually want a wreath for my apartment and I'll be able to make one, which is always fun. I love doing crafting stuff like that, especially when holiday decor is involved. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to the event. Some of my friends are going, and there's also gonna be a burrata bar, so you know I am all over that. Okay guys, so we made it to the event. Now we are going to make our wreaths, and looks like we're just gonna start from this base circle and add on. Check-in time, Megan. Oh, that's good. Kara is putting feathers that match her sweater onto this one. Yeah, really. And I am trying to do something with white stuff over here. Oh, Kara comes bringing wine. Yeah, here's my finished little wreath. Yeah, isn't it? Megan is still working in summer.
I'm taking this very seriously.
Like this.
Yeah, me too. I'm taking it real seriously.
Megan's finished wreath. So cute, so fun. Megan cheated the system and we've now got bowls of ice cream.